everyone, I'm Danny and I'm going to show you how to make maple butter. It's one ingredient, it's a classic Canadian staple, and it is so delicious. Let's get started.
Start by adding your maple syrup to a high-sided pot. You want to make sure you're using the real stuff here. It should be runny, just like this. Quantities don't matter. Make however much or little as you want. Turn the heat to medium-high and let your maple syrup start to reduce. If it starts bubbling up too much and it looks like it might come over the sides, turn it down slightly.
You'll want to take this to 111 degrees Celsius or 232 degrees Fahrenheit.
232. Let's take it off the heat.
That's a thread stage if you drip it into a glass of cold water.
You see how that dribbles down? That little thread? That's exactly what you want. Let the syrup cool slightly in the pot for about 5 minutes, just so you don't crack your bowl.
Pour your hot maple syrup into a separate bowl and pop it in the fridge. You want it to chill for at least 30 minutes before starting to whip it up.
Once your syrup is cooled, it should be this thick, gooey consistency.
You can use a wooden spoon for this recipe and really whip for about 20 minutes, but to get the real lightness and air that you want in the maple butter, you're best off using electric beaters or a stand mixer.
We're going to slowly work our way up to the highest speed. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl so that all of the maple syrup gets whipped up. You'll want to whip it for about 8 minutes in total until it's this really pale color and it looks nice and thick and ribbony. Transfer to a jar and pop in the fridge. It'll thicken up further as it cools. This will keep for at least 6 months. It's got such a rich, creamy texture and it's perfect on a slice of sourdough. I want to say a special thanks to all of my channel members. If you want to be part of the Black Cat Kitchen Clouder, hit the join button.
If you've got some spare honey on hand, why not try my creamed honey recipe? Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.